What is protein? Protein helps build and repair tissue while playing a role in various cell functions in the body. It is a major component for growing hair, nails, muscle, and other parts of the body. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. A complete protein consists of all 20 amino acids, while the absence of one or more amino acid is considered an incomplete protein. Complete proteins are mainly found in meats such as chicken, beef, steak, fish, as well as eggs, milk, and whey protein. Foods such as grains, nuts, seeds, or legumes are considered incomplete proteins. It is recommended to consume at least 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per 1 pound of your body weight for optimal muscle growth. With many different types of protein on the market ranging from the source, absorption rate, and process of filtration, any complete protein is beneficial for the growth and repair of muscle. Poultry, fish, dairy, legume, soy, whey, and other sources of proteins have their differences, but any complete protein is of great benefit for building and repairing muscle. The key is to get enough protein to fulfill your body's requirement for optimal growth. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.